Good afternoon, dear children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
I hope all of you remember what we have discussed or what we have learned in the last class, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We started new lesson from geography, chapter 3, motions of the earth. Okay, I'll give you a brief summary of the topic which we have discussed in the last class. Okay, after that we will start new topic. Okay. We discussed about two motions of the earth, two important motions of the earth. So earth has two motions, rotation and revolution. Okay. Vinayak, what is rotation? Anna, what is rotation?
Non-rotation means the movement on the earth on its axis.
Movement of the earth on its axis is known as rotation. Very good. Sian, what
Ma'am,
is
it
rotation?
goes-
What is revolution? What is
The mo-
revolution?
The movement of the Earth around the Sun in a fixed path or orbit is called revolution.
Okay, very good. So earth has two types of movement, rotation and revolution. Rotation is the movement of the earth around the, rotation is the movement of the earth on its axis. Revolution is the movement of the earth around the sun in a fixed path called orbit. Clear to you. Okay, very good. Then next we learn what is orbital plane, right? A
Yes,
plane
ma'am.
created by or plane formed by an orbit is known as orbital plane. Otherwise, I have given
All
one
the
more
objects
definition.
revolving the sun have orbits. These orbits line up and form a kind of flat disk.
Yes, it's called orbital
Orbital
plane.
plane.
Okay, very good. Then the axis of the earth, which is an imaginary line, it make an angle of 66.5 degree with its orbital plane. Okay. Then next we learn how day and night happens, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Rotation causes day and night, and how day and night happens. With the help of slide, we explain how day and night happens. Portion facing the sun receive more sunlight and experience day. The
while
other
the other
portion,
half
Other half
away
away from the sun experience night.
yes, very good.
cold and it experiences night.
Okay. Then we learn what is a new word. What is circle of illumination?
Circle of illumination.
What is that circle of illumination?
Ma'am, it
The
divides
circle that divides the day
the
from night on the
night
globe
globe
is called circle of illumination.
illumination.
One. Who will answer? One. Raise your hand. Okay, Altina.
The circle of illumination that divides the day from night on the globe is known as the circle of illumination.
Circle of illumination divides the day and night. Right? Okay, very good. Then we discuss one question. What would happen if the earth would not rotate? What would happen if the earth would not rotate? Who will answer? Ashish. Okay, I will ask. Ashish.
And the portion of the earth facing the sun would always experience day, thus bringing continuous warmth to the region.
Yeah. Extreme hot, right? Then we cannot
Yes, ma'am.
survive in extreme hot. Then what about the next part, next side?
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am,
What can I say?
Ma'am, can I say, ma'am?
Yes. I'll give chance to all of you. Ananya Vitesh. Okay. Don't worry, I'll give chance to all of you.
And the other half will be like very cold and the plants won't grow.
Other side of the earth is away from sun. It does not experience night, right? That means continuous night. So extreme cold. So we cannot survive in extreme cold. So you understood what we have. All of you have understood, right? What would
Yes,
happen
ma'am.
if the earth did not rotate, right?
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, before what will the earth rotate? We studied the period of rotation.
Yes. Period of rotation. What is the period of rotation?
Ma'am, the period of rotation, it makes one earth day.
It makes
It is the time that earth takes for one rotation.
one rotation.
It takes 24 hours to complete.
24 hours or one earth day or the daily motion of the earth.
Yes, Ananta Krishna is present. Ananya Jindo is present. Ananya Jindo. No. Then, today we are going to focus on the second movement of the earth. What is the second movement of the earth?
Revolution.
Revolution.
It's called revolution. 1 second. Ananda Krishnan, what is revolution? Ananda Krishnan, what is revolution? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is revolution? Ananda Krishnan, what is revolution? You are not audible to me. Devika, what is revolution?
Ma'am, the movement of the earth around the sun on a fixed path or orbit is known as revolution.
Okay, very good. Then, when we discuss rotation, we learned one point. Rotation causes day and night.
Day and night.
And we learned how it happened, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Revolution cause what?
Season.
Revolution
Ma'am,
seasons. Very good. Revolution cause seasons. Let us see how it is. This is the orbital plane. Last time I missed this slide from my PPT. This is the orbit created by planets, right? So this is called orbit. It looks like a flat disk. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
It's called
Yes, ma'am.
orbital plane. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you show the side of that orbital plane?
Yes.
Ma'am, the tall of the. Yes, ma'am, this one.
Okay. We're going to focus on revolution. As you all know, revolution is a movement of Earth around the Sun in a fixed path called orbit, right? Revolution causes seasons. Okay, revolution
Climatic changes.
climatic changes, seasons. Okay. Then, revolution, Earth takes 365
365 and 1 by 4 days.
days to complete one
One
revolution.
revolution.
Say this. This is our Earth. This is our planet Earth. It's moving around the Sun in a fixed path, right? This is called orbit. This movement of the Earth is known as revolution. To complete one revolution, Earth takes 365 and 1 by 4 days to revolve around the Sun. Yes, Ananda Krishnan.
Ma'am, can you hear
What's your
me?
problem here?
No, ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes.
Ma'am, my microphone was having some problem. That's why
Okay, okay.
I
Then the Earth takes 365 and 1 by 4 days to revolve around the Sun. 365 1 by 4 days means 1 year. So Earth takes 1 year to move or revolve around the
Sun.
This what is this 1 by 4 days? 1 by 4 days means how many hours? 1 hour is 1.
Ma'am, 6 hours.
24
Ma'am, 6 hours.
Six
Ma'am,
hours.
6 hours.
So 1 by 4 days.
6 hours.
1 by 4 days is equal to
6 hours.
6 hours. Right? So
Yes, ma'am.
Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution or to complete a movement around the sun. 365 days and 6 hours. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Then 365 days and 6 hours means 1 year. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Slide is going up. Okay. Then you might have heard the word leap year. Have you heard the word leap year?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
is the
In
meaning of
leap year, we
leap?
have a 29.
Wait. Don't jump fast. Okay. Because some children, they don't know about this. Okay. So they should know about it. Then what is the meaning of the word leap? L-E-A-P, leap. What is the meaning of the word leap? Yes, Mriti.
Is it long?
Ma'am,
Leap
long.
means
Long.
jump. Jump. Okay, leap year. Then in our calendar, February month, right? February month has only 28 days, right? Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
What about
Yes, ma'am.
2020 calendar, 2020 calendar? How many days are there in February in 2020?
Ma'am, 20.
I think so, 29.
I think so 29.
Is it get easy? Calendar
Ma'am, 29.
29. Are
Yes,
you
ma'am.
sure? Then one
Yes, ma'am.
this year,
I'm
last year,
29 or
2019, only 28 days were there in February month. But this year, we have 29 days in February. How it happened? So, normally 1 year means how many days? We used to say 365 days. We
365.
used to say 365 days, right? So, one extra day in February means this year we have 366 days. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us see how it happened. You're going to focus on leap year. Voters, leap year. Leap year. Then, we know Earth takes 365 and 1/4 days to complete its revolution. Right? That means 1 year. But for our convenience, we used to say 365 days. Right? We ignore this 1/4 days. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
1 year means 365 days. And we ignore this 1/4 days, or we can say 6 hours. We ignore the 6 hours for our convenience. So, what we will do with this 6 hours? 6 hours saved every year. Okay, we keep it aside. 6 hours, we keep it aside. And on the 4th year, okay, on the 4th year, that first year we keep the 6 hours there. Second year we keep it. Third year also we keep it. On the 4th year also we keep that 6 hours there. Right? Then on 4th year we count this together. We add all the 6 hours together and we will get 24 hours. 24 hours means
1 day.
1 day.
1 day. 24 hours means 1 day. So we get an extra day. Okay. We get an extra day. Is it clear? Till this it's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Then to whom we will give this extra 1 day?
To February.
To February.
Why to February?
Because it has the less.
Because it
We
has
have
less days.
12 months in a year, right? Just
Yes,
like
ma'am.
a mother has 12 children. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
All children are very rich except February. All children have 31 days except February. February is very poor. Only 28 days. Definitely, if mother gets anything, to whom she will give first?
February.
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 Poor child, right? Who is the poor child here?
February.
February.
February. So mother gave this extra 1 day to February. So fourth year, February will be very rich. February will have 29 days. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
But not every year the mother cannot give 1 year, right? So on the fourth year, mother will get extra 1 day. That year will get extra 1 day. So that day, mother will give to February. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
In that year, we have 366 days in a year. We get 366 days in a
Yeah.
How we can get 366 days?
Because of the
Because of
one
the
day.
one extra day.
Because of this extra 1 day. And how did we get this extra 1 day?
The 6 hours for the 4 years.
We
We saved.
6 hours, 4 years, right? 4 years, we saved that 6 year. On the fourth year, we add all these 6 hours together, we will get 24 hours. 24 hours means 1 day. And this 1 day or extra 1 day, we give to February.
February.
So February will be very happy on the fourth year. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Year with, so we can say like this, year with 365 days are called leap year.
Ma'am,
Clear?
366.
Sorry, 366 days. So year with 366 days known as leap year. Clear? What is
Yes,
leap
ma'am.
year?
The year with 366
A
days.
leap year has
366 days.
366
leap year
days.
has 366 days. So 2020 is a leap year, right? This year is a leap year. Then when will be the next leap year?
2024.
2020.
2024.
Last leap year was in
2026. Sorry. 2016. 16.
yes, yes. And I'll read the sentence, okay? We consider a year 365 days and ignore 6 hours for our convenience, okay? Then 6 hours saved every year and added to make 1 day every fourth year. This extra day is added to the month of February. Thus, every fourth year, February is of 29 days instead of 28. So, a year with 366 days is called
Leap
a
year.
leap year. I hope all of you have understood what is leap year.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanaika, have you understood what is leap year?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Geetika, can you explain what is leap year?
Yes, ma'am. 1 year is 365 days and 1 by 4, 365, 1 by 4, which is 6 hours. So we don't usually
Or you
consider
can say
the 1 by 4.
365. Wait. or you can say 364 days and 6 hours. Okay.
Okay,
You need to
ma'am.
use both at a time. 1/4 days or 6 hours. Okay, then.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
So we don't usually so we don't consider the 6 hours. We save the 6 hours of every year and add it, so it will be 24 after 4 years, and we will give 6 hours saved every day and add it to the 1 day on every 4th year. So we will add it to the February. So February will have 29 days in a leap year.
Shall I go to next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Next topic is, no, you are going to learn a new word again. Elliptical orbit. What is the word?
Orbit.
Elliptical
Orbit.
orbit. ELLIPTICAL. Elliptical orbit.
Orbit.
The Earth is going around the Sun in an elliptical orbit. And what is elliptical orbit?
Ma'am, elliptical, it is like a, it's like an oval, right?
Yeah, oval shape. Not circle. Not exact
Not
circle.
a perfect circle.
See, yes, not perfect circle, not exactly circle shape. See, what is orbit? Plane where the, yes. See, all the planets are moving around the Sun in a fixed path, right? We call
Yes,
this
ma'am.
fixed path orbit. See,
Orbit.
orbits are not circle. It's oval shape, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Like this. Then what is the meaning of orbit? It's a repeating path. Word
Yes,
meaning is repeating path. So all orbits are elliptical in shape. It means they are egg-shaped or oval-shaped. These orbits are egg-shaped or
Egg-shaped.
oval-shaped. You can say oval-shaped. No need to write egg-shaped, oval-shaped. It's good. Oval-shaped. Rather than circular, right?
Circle. Yes, ma'am.
Rather than circular. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
This is circular
Yes, ma'am.
shape. This is round. Not like this. Oval shape. And what is elliptical orbit?
Ma'am, they are orbits. All the planets have elliptical orbits or oval-shaped orbits.
All orbits are
Oval-shaped.
shaped rather than circular. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All orbits are moving around the, all planets are moving around the Sun in an elliptical orbit. Underline the word in your textbook, elliptical orbit. Then, next we are going to learn an important point that, as we discussed before, as we learned before, revolution causes seasons, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Movement
Yes,
of
ma'am.
the Earth causes seasons.
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 Or changes in the position of the Earth causes seasons.
Seasons.
Okay. Then we have summer season, winter season, autumn and
Autumn, spring.
in 5th standard you have learned we have
Ma'am,
3 major
winter.
seasons, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, 5 major seasons.
But some part of India experience.
Yes, ma'am.
But we experience major part of India
Ma'am,
experience
summer,
winter,
monsoon,
Summer,
and
monsoon, winter.
spring. Ma'am, summer, monsoon, and spring.
Summer, winter and monsoon, right? All
Yes, ma'am.
parts our country experience, these are the major seasons. Okay, main season. Some parts of the country experience spring and autumn.
Spring.
Clear?
Yes,
But
ma'am.
we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
3 major seasons in India: summer,
Summer,
winter
monsoon, and winter.
monsoon. Monsoon means
Rainy season.
rainy
Rainy
season.
season.
Some part of India experience autumn and spring also. Yeah. Then,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
here we are going to discuss summer, winter, autumn and spring, not about monsoons, not about monsoon. Okay. Then how this happened? Then a year is usually divided into summer season, winter season, spring and autumn. Its season changes due to the changes in the position of the earth. Okay. Based on the position of earth, seasons change. So we have 4 seasons. Okay. Let's see how it happened. Okay. First thing we are going to learn about summer season. Okay. All of you listen this, look at this map. Same map you can see in your textbook. Okay. Then we start from June 21st. Okay. On June, see, this is our earth, sun, center of solar system. Earth is moving around the sun. Why I start from here? Because earth moves from
West
to east.
Then we start from here, 21st June. Okay. On 21st June, this is axis, imaginary line, North Pole, South Pole. Okay. North Pole, South Pole. On June 21st, northern hemisphere of the earth is tilted towards the sun. Which hemisphere is tilted towards the sun?
Northern hemisphere.
Northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun. Tilted means turn towards the sun. Northern hemisphere, right? This is the northern hemisphere. Just imagine this is the northern hemisphere. See, only this part is tilted towards the sun. So what will happen? Northern hemisphere,
will experience summer.
Northern hemisphere receives more sunlight.
More sunlight than the southern
means,
hemisphere.
More sunlight means?
Ma'am, summer.
Summer. So definitely northern hemisphere experience summer.
Summer.
Clear? You have to learn like this. On June 21st, northern hemisphere of the earth is tilted towards the sun.
Yes,
right?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hemisphere receive more sunlight and experience summer.
Summer. Ma'am, it is because the sun's rays fall in a slanting manner.
Here, direct sunlight. Northern hemisphere receive direct sunlight because this portion is tilted. You can see only this part is turned towards the sun, right? And
yes,
what about southern hemisphere? Smriti, what you said as slanting rays, it happens in southern hemisphere, right? See,
yes,
this part is not tilted, it away from the sun. So, southern hemisphere is away from the sun and it receives slanting rays of the sun. Southern hemisphere, it receives slanting rays of the sun. And this hemisphere experience
winter.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Northern hemisphere experience summer. Southern hemisphere experience winter. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This position of the earth, we call this summer solstice. What we call this?
Summer solstice.
Summer solstice.
Solstice.
Summer solstice. Okay. Then, as we said, northern hemisphere experience summer. Summer means hot season, right? Very hot.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Days are longer. You can see some changes in day and night. Duration of day and night. In summer, days are
longer.
Yes, days are
Longer.
and nights are
Shorter.
Nights are shorter.
Shorter.
Very good. Nights are shorter. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
When you listen the word summer, think about days and night? How it will be days and night? Days
will be
summer.
longer and nights will be shorter.
Then tell me, what about winter? Anyone? What about the days and nights in winter?
Days will be shorter and nights will be longer.
Days are
Shorter
Nights are
longer
shorter,
and nights are longer.
Nights are longer.
nights are longer. Very good.
Days will be shorter.
Days are
Nights.
shorter and nights are longer. Then I want to ask you one question. In December month, in December, January, it's winter month, right? It's winter season, right? Then what about nights and days in winter, this December and January months? How do you feel?
Nights are longer.
Nights are longer.
Longer.
Then we feel sunset very early, right?
Yes, ma'am.
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 Or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
In summer season, we know sunset very late, right?
Yes,
Evening
ma'am.
7 o'clock sometimes, right? Sunset
Yes,
at
ma'am.
7 o'clock.
Yes, ma'am.
Then, but in winter season, no, we feel sunset very early.
Early.
Is it clear? This part is clear. What is summer solstice?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, today, one more part. This part I will explain next class. Otherwise, when I explain together, all of you will be confused with this too. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
First, you should understand, make this clear, this part clear. What is summer solstice? I will repeat
Okay, ma'am.
again. All of you listen here. If you don't understand, you can ask me, you can contact me. Okay? Here,
Okay, ma'am.
on June 21st, northern hemisphere or the northern part of the earth is tilted towards the sun. So, cut natural northern hemisphere receives more sunlight and experiences summer. So, in northern hemisphere, days are longer and nights are shorter.
Shorter.
Then what about southern hemisphere? It's away from the sun. It receives slanting rays of the sun and it experiences winter. Southern hemisphere experiences winter.
Winter.
And what about days and night here? Days are shorter and nights
Nights are longer.
And this position of the earth is called summer solstice. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Draw this picture in your lecture book.
Okay, ma'am.
Draw this picture, and when you draw the picture, you should show the tilt of the earth. Okay, northern
ma'am.
part
Yes,
is
ma'am.
tilted. When you draw it, it will come like this. Okay, well, it will be very easy for you. I hope this part is very clear. All of you have understood this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
If you get any doubt, you can ask me in the next class or you can call me. Either you can call me or ask in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
I have sent notes. Did you write notes in your?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, it's the time to wind up the class. See you in the next class. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.